Come build a DIY workbench with me. This is the before and the after soon to come up. We began by removing the wood that was previously on the table and started grinding out any imperfections. We welded a frame so that our saw could sit down into something into the table. Grinded out the welds so that it was smooth and the table can have something to sit on it. We then began to weld two pieces of metal together so that our saw can fit down into this area. Marking out the wood was next, so we knew where the saws were going. We did this by putting the wood over the opening and then just tracing underneath. We then cut it out. As the table was nearly done, we decided that it needed a bit of a finish, so we nailed in some finishing wood and then we began to sand it down for a complete finish.